Ask an AI the same question twice, and you'll often get two different answers. Is it broken? No, it's a deliberate dial, and you can control it. Today you'll learn about temperature, the setting that decides whether AI sounds boring or brilliant. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. Let's start with how AI actually writes. An AI does not plan its whole answer in advance. It generates one token at a time, and at every step, it asks a single question: what should come next? Here's the key. The AI doesn't just pick one answer. It calculates probabilities for every possible next token. After the words, "the sky is," the token, "blue," might get 70%, "clear," might get 20%, and "falling," might get a tiny fraction. Temperature controls how the AI chooses from that list. It's a number, usually between 0 and 1, and sometimes up to 2. At temperature 0, the AI always picks the most likely token. Every single time. Ask the same question, get the same answer. Predictable, consistent, safe. As temperature rises, the AI starts taking chances on less likely tokens. At 0.7, it might occasionally pick "clear" instead of "blue." At higher values, it gambles even more. The writing becomes varied, surprising, sometimes creative, and sometimes nonsense. Think of it like seasoning food. 0 is plain rice, reliable, but dull. Around 0.7 is a well-spiced dish, flavorful with personality. Crank it to the maximum, and you've dumped the whole spice rack in. Interesting, maybe. Edible, rarely. Temperature has a partner dial called top P. Instead of changing how boldly the AI picks, top P shrinks the menu itself. A top P of 0.9 means, only consider the most likely tokens that together add up to 90% probability, and ignore the weird long tail entirely. Most engineers adjust one dial or the other, not both. So when do you use which temperature? 3 simple rules. 1. Use low temperature, 0 to 0.3, when there is a correct answer. Code generation, data extraction, math, customer support facts. You want consistency, not creativity. 2. Use medium temperature, around 0.5 to 0.8, for everyday writing. Emails, summaries, explanations. Natural variety without losing the plot. 3. Use high temperature, 0.9 and above, for brainstorming and creative work. Story ideas, slogans, unusual angles. Expect gems mixed with garbage, and pick the gems yourself. Here is your golden tip. If you're building an AI application and getting inconsistent results, check the temperature before rewriting your prompt. Many bugs blamed on bad prompting are simply a temperature set too high. For anything that must be reliable, start at 0 and raise it only if the output feels too robotic. Let's wrap up with the golden concept in one line. AI writes by predicting the next token from a list of probabilities, and temperature decides whether it plays it safe or takes creative risks. Next in Golden Concepts, prompt engineering patterns, the 5 proven techniques that cover 90% of everything you'll ever need. Subscribe to Uplatz, and master the concepts that matter.